Hi everybody, welcome to a new video. Thanks for watching again. As you can see, I'm at the Barcelona racetrack now. I just arrived with a taxi and yeah, my colleague was kind enough to park the truck and also wash the truck beforehand. He lives close by and yeah, I was not here because initially IRTA wanted to park the trucks at some racetracks on Wednesday and this was one of them. But yeah, they changed their mind, so it was back on Tuesday, but my flight was already booked. So yeah, I arrived a little bit too late. Yeah, so anyway, we're here now. First of all, I would like to thank everybody for watching my videos. We hit the 1,000 subscribers. For me, it's a big milestone. So I'm very happy about that. Thanks again, everybody, for supporting me, watching my videos, letting me know what you think, and in the future, if you have any suggestions or whatever, I try to incorporate that in my videos as well. Yeah, so a big thank you for everybody. And what I said in my previous one, I will get a giveaway as well. I'll get back to that later in this video because yeah, the video just started. We're here in Barcelona. After this we will go to Mugello and we have a Mugello test as well, so a lot to look forward to. So yeah, I hope you like this video and I'll see you guys later. Okay, so that's the weekend done. As you can see behind me, the pit box is completely empty. Everything is already packed back in the trucks. I cannot start driving until 6 o'clock. So yeah, I have to wait, I think 20 minutes more. Then we will drive to a hotel that's pretty close to the track. I think 7-minute drive or something. So yeah, pretty close to have a good shower, proper dinner, good bed, and then tomorrow morning we will start driving towards Mugello. Yeah, we just came from Mugello, but we go back for the race, of course. After that race we have a test as well, but yeah, that's just later on. This weekend actually went well, pretty okay. We had no crashes, the weather was good, and yeah, we won the Honda Cup. Now, yeah, we beat John Mir, I think by a few tenths to score some points, so no, that's all good. Let's hope we can continue like this to be at least the best Honda in the field, and yeah, that's our goal. For the 1,000 subscribers, what I told you, the giveaway is going to be like last year as well, the t-shirts. So it's going to be the Idemitsu t-shirt or a Castro t-shirt, whatever you want. I can also organize a signature of your choice, if it's either Johan or Taka or both or whatever. Just let me know when you're one of the winners. You can tell me what you want and your size and everything. And as an extra special one, I have 2 boots of each rider, so I can make 4 people happy with a boot, a signed boot of Taka or Johan Zarco. So yeah, please just keep watching this video. I will tell you at the end of this video how you will be able to win these prizes. But for now, enjoy the trip to Mugello, and I'll see you guys there. Alright, so that's a Mugello race done as well. Unfortunately, we didn't have the results we wanted. We had a crash and, well, we weren't even in the points. So yeah, that was a bit bittersweet. But yeah, those things happen. Also the test, it got rained down a little bit. So yeah, we had some wet laps. And then it started to dry a little bit, but not dry enough for slicks. Then it started to rain again, so yeah, we could not really test the things we want to test. But yeah, it's unfortunate, but yeah, well, those things happen as well. Now I'm 3 weeks at home and enjoy a little bit of a pre-summer break. That's because Kazakhstan fell away in this period. So yeah, we don't go there just yet. For the moment it looks like it takes the India spot, so yeah, let's see what happens there. Also for the giveaway, if you want to have a chance for those boots like I told you, and also the shirts, you have to leave a comment. Let me know what you think, or any comment what you want. Also a thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed, because I'm gonna check it, and if you are fulfilling all the criteria, you're in the race yeah, for the giveaway, and I'll let you know in the next video. And you have until Sunday the 23rd of June to yeah, leave a reply or leave a comment, and yeah, I will let you know the next video who won. So yeah, for now I just relax at home, do some things with the family, and I hope to see you guys in the awesome video again. So see you next time. Bye bye.